Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change your email address on Chipotle.com account. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open a web browser to get started and then go ahead and type in Chipotle.com into the URL box. Also make sure to log into your existing account. And after you are logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. You will then be able to see this menu. Scroll all the way down and click on the Personal and Preferences option. Now, click on this Edit button right next to your information and then go to the Email tab and erase your current email address. Type in a new email address you'd like to change to for your Chipotle account. After you are done, click on Save Changes. You will now need to re-enter your Chipotle password to continue changing your email. After you are done typing it in, click on Verify. On the next page, you'll need to enter the code sent to your phone number. Go ahead and enter the code as soon as you receive it and click on Verify. Soon after you are done verifying with your code, you will be able to change your email address on Chipotle. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.